Alright, it's time to adjust your knowledge gains in our SmartBit quiz with our 3 control automation questions. The questions are scored using actuator output percentage, and today we'll be testing your knowledge on drone flight control and stabilization. Let's begin with our first question worth 25%. For stabilizing a quadricopter under wind disturbances, which control approach is more robust? Is it A, cascaded PID loops with outer attitude and inner rate control, or B, open loop motor speed control? And the answer is A, cascaded PID loops with outer attitude and inner rate control. Cascaded PID control uses feedback at multiple levels, allowing the system to reject disturbances and maintain stable flight. Let's go on to our next question worth 25%. When estimating drone orientation in real time, which method is more effective? Is it A, gyroscope integration only, or B, sensor fusion using a Kalman filter? And the answer is B, sensor fusion using a Kalman filter. A Kalman filter combines gyroscope, accelerometer, and sometimes magnetometer data to reduce drift and improve accuracy. Okay, let's move on to our final question worth 50%. Which control strategy is best for trajectory tracking in dynamic environments? Is it A, model predictive control, or B, fixed throttle mapping? And the answer is A, model predictive control. Model predictive control accounts for system constraints and predicts future states, enabling accurate trajectory tracking. Want to try again? Just click the link on your screen and be sure to check out our other Automator's Edge videos for the latest in control automation.